Are you looking for the best folding exercise bike? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best exercise bike on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic 1200. If this is the first time you've heard of Exerpeutic, you should know that they are a highly regarded and well-trusted name in the fitness industry. Many of their products are widely sold online, on sites such as Amazon, or in-store at Walmart or Costco. This model comes with an easy-to-read LCD display, which shows your progress as you work out. Distance traveled, calories burned, workout time, speed, and even your heart rate are shown right in front of you, helping you to keep a close eye on your workout. What's great about this model is that it can be used by all the family. The bike itself is adjustable to suit users from 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 1 inch and can support users up to 300 pounds. The design of the bike allows it to fold away easily. In fact, when folded, it is just half the size. This makes it ideal for small spaces and storing away in cupboards or behind doors. It also features transportation wheels to allow you to move the bike quickly. With 8 levels of magnetically controlled tension, beginners to intermediates can effectively use the bike for a comfortable workout. As if that wasn't good enough, the bicycle comes with extra features such as an extra-large cushion for additional support, as well as a phone holder. Check out our YouTube video below that reviews this popular model and more of our top picks in further detail. Number 2. Exerpeutic Gold Heavy Duty. Packing a few extra pounds? Investing in a foldable exercise bike is a convenient way to squeeze in a workout from the comfort of your own home. This heavy-duty model from Exerpeutic boasts a whopping 400-pound maximum weight capacity, perfect for those on the heavier side. To help support the extra weight, the Exerpeutic comes with a wide seat that contains extra padding for comfort. It also boasts a solid steel frame that makes it incredibly robust and adds to its design. As well as these sturdy features, the Exerpeutic comes with all the functions you could need from your new exercise bike, including an easy-to-ready onboard monitor, heart rate sensors, and device holder. One thing we really liked about this model was that the resistance dial is placed above the LCD display, instead of awkwardly between your legs as most models do. This position allows you to easily and quickly change your bike's resistance level, which is great if you're doing an at-home spin workout. While the seat is fully adjustable, shorter users may find getting on and off the bike a little tricky as the lowest seat height is still a little high. When folded, the Exerpeutic bike has a minimal footprint, allowing for easy storage. Number 3. FitDesk Standing Adjustable Desk Bike. We are all for increasing productivity, so we couldn't wait to get our hands on this bike that can be used in your home office. Believe it or not, this bike comes with a non-slip mini desk that supports a laptop, as well as a mobile phone holder and separate accessory box to keep your earphones and other stationery neatly organized. Another unique feature of this bicycle is the resistance bands. When you're taking a break from work, you can sneak in an upper body workout while cycling, thanks to the bands attached to the side of the bike. While we don't think they make an excellent workout on their own, they are a great way to add some variety to your routine. When you've finished working out, the built-in massage bar can help to soothe your weary muscles. The bike boasts a steel frame as well as the typical LCD display you see on most models. While we love what this bike is trying to do, we are firm believers in keeping business and pleasure separate. Still, this foldable exercise bike is a welcome solution for those who struggle to draw a line between home and work. Number 4. Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike. There are a ton of really great reasons why you should invest in a recumbent exercise bike. Not only do they provide extra support for those suffering from back pain, but they also offer a low-impact workout, placing less strain on your muscles and joints. Despite the overwhelming number of models on the market, the Exerpeutic 400XL scoops our top prize thanks to its combination of design, function, and affordability. Starting with the design, this high-quality bike boasts a solid steel frame, similar to something you would see in your typical gym. The solid structure can support up to 300 pounds, and it looks good doing so. On the functions, this bike comes with everything you could need and more. An easy-to-read LCD screen displays the specifics of your workout. At the same time, the 8 levels of resistance are perfect for beginners to intermediates. One feature we love about this bike is that thanks to its adjustable seat, it can be used as a desk bike, ideal for sneaking in a workout while working from home. While the seat is not the most comfortable we tried, a simple seat cover can fix this. The 400XL also comes in at a very affordable price point, which confirms its place as our top recumbent bike on the market today. Number 5. Lanos Folding Exercise Bike. Why should young folk have all the fun? With this 2-in-1 foldable bike from Lanos, seniors can get in on the action too. Before we go any further, let's quickly discuss the 2-in-1 design. What this means is that this bicycle can transform into an upright or recumbent bike. As you should know by now, a recumbent bike is ideal for seniors thanks to its low-impact design, protecting joints and muscles. Still, for particularly active seniors, the bike can be transformed into a typical upright bike for an unbeatable workout. The bike also boasts 10 levels of resistance, more than most other options on our list. This makes it an excellent choice for a home with a mix of fitness levels, as the bike can easily be adjusted to suit beginners through to advanced users. The bike's design is particularly eye-catching in a baby blue, which looks great in a home gym or garage. Although some minor assembly is required, the instructions are incredibly detailed, making the whole process hassle-free. As well as being great for seniors, taller folk can achieve a comfortable workout thanks to the adjustable seat height, which can accommodate users up to 6 feet 5 inches.